Greeting, honorary judge. We are Princess Jirapan Science High School Chonburi student. Today, we are excited to present to you about the use of Spirogera SP for water quality improvement controlled by IoT system. First, let's talk about why the water quality is important. Water quality is what determines that the water is clean or not and how it can be used, like in agriculture or consumption. But at the present, our world have facing a pollution problem with causing to lower the clean water in our world. This affecting the health of the world population. Our team has looked into a research and found one interesting technology called photobioreactor, which use photosynthesis of algae and plankton into improving the water qualities. But this technology still have a downside, which is have high cost and it is immovable. So we have designed our project by instead of pumping the waters into the algae tank, we will be creating a buoy which will be putting the algae directly into improve the water source. We have select Spirogera SP in this project because these algae can be found commonly in Thailand and also have a good adaptive abilities. Our project also looking forward into sustainability. This project are create aligned with three of the sustainable development goals. First is create clean water and sanitation. Second is to take the climate action. And third is to improve the life below water. Our objective is to develop IoT system for improving water qualities by applying with Spirogera SP algae and to study the qualities of bioremediation in the water from Spirogera SP algae. The advantage of algae when compared to plants is it can be easier to found, need less maintenance, and also easier to cultivate. And by using algae, there are no need for chemical use, which is safer to the environment and it was more sustainable. We are using the IoT or Internet of Things in this project to make our product automatic and also improve its efficiencies and lower the cost.
Next is the metallurgy process. The first step involves collecting Spelotella algae for cultivation. We will divide them into three tanks. One, a small tank for cultivating algae at 500 mg per liter. Two, a medium tank for cultivating algae at 750 mg per liter. And three, a large tank for cultivating algae at 1000 mg per liter. Moving on to step 3, we will measure the dissolved oxygen levels in the water. We will measure 4 times with 1 week interval between each measurement. In step 4, we will design a floating buoy and boat using the single head program. After that, we will assemble the boats, install the boat and buoy IoT system, and then proceed with testing the performance of the system.
And this is for the study result. In the methodology, we got an experiment part to use for study about improving water quality by using Spirogena sp algae that can photosynthesis and increasing oxygen in environment. From the table below show about the changing of the O value in each experiment set and in each time that we using the multi-parameter for water quality monitoring. So the optimal ratio is 1000 milligram per liter that got the highest value of DO and more than the standard value. So that means the Spirogena SP algae can be using for water quality improvement by increasing oxygen in the water. And from this knowledge, we can use the ratio for calculating the size of structure of IoT board for using to cultivating the algae in water area. We have to use IoT board to move and carry this algae in water area. The IoT board got a sensor that can water monitoring in each day and got a camera for picture the environment. And we got the RC or remote control system for using the easier controlling. And this is The example of using the IoT board in the real water source. In the right picture has the Bring IoT application system that using for water quality monitoring in each time that we use the IoT board. From the conclusion, the study found that the Spirogela sp algae can be used for water quality improvement by adding the oxygen 0.5 to 1 ppm per week in the water. So the dissolved oxygen or DO value will rising up, and this water treatment can be applied with IoT system. By we can use IoT board for algae cultivating that can limit the area of algae cultivation and use IoT board for moving this algae in water source and monitoring the water quality in each day. From this water treatment system, we got the water treatment from IoT and the bioremediation from Spirogela sp algae. This system is very friendly for environment and ecosystem that will be a sustainable improvement for the environment. This IoT is easy to use and it can adapt in any way. And this is the last part of the presentation. We want to say thank you for your attention. And we hopefully that we will see you again next time. Thank you.